Oh no! Here they come! Whoop! They're scared. What is it? Oh, I don't know. What is that foot? Boop. Boop. It's coming to get you. What is it? What is that foot? Oh, they're both coming. Woo! What is it? Oh, is it your friend? Oh my gosh. Is those feetsies your friend? What are you doing? Oh. Oh, is it your friend? What are you doing? Should I let you have them? Yeah? Are they your friend? It looks like a big lovebird to me. Whoa. It's your friend, the foot. Oh, you like it squeaky, don't you? Yeah. Oh, what is it? It's big and yellow. Oh, and it moves. Oh, you got it. What are you going to do with it? Say hello to your favorite friend.